All right, tonight we got something really exciting. We have a one-box break of 2018-19 Prizm Basketball First off the line. Now these can only be purchased directly off of Panini's website, and they sell out in a matter of minutes, so very tough to get. But wanted to break this and share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's crack into this bad boy. All right, so included in what we're looking for, we've got 2 autographs and 22 prisms on average, plus the exclusive card out of 7. Well, that's a good start. That's the guy we want to hit. Geese silver, sorry, Jermichael green. That's a silver. And here, let's put vet rookies. Make sure I didn't miss any rookies. Okay. So I know I went quick. Gary Trent and Musa were our rookies in that pack. Simmons, Preston, and Harry Giles. I'm not sure if this is numbered. Does not appear so. Jalen Brunson, Vanderbilt, Obamba, rookies, Kobe, Jerry West, silver, Markkinen, Ian Clark, Hyper, Holiday, Horford, Crowder. There's our out of 7. But the big hit is the next one. So Tobias Harris out of 7, 2 of 7. But that's a nice hit right there. That's probably our biggest hit so far. So, about halfway done. So far, our silvers are no rookies, so 4 non-rookies. Ultimate Blake Griffin out of 299. Okay, so no autographs yet, no silver rookies yet, but that's a great Luka. Mitchell, Turner, blue, Mike Conley out of 199. Okay, 6 packs to go. Sorry, I realize I'm not holding the cards very clearly. And our first autograph is right there. So we'll pull that back in a second. Hardaway, Russell, Wade, Quartet. So let's see what we have here. JKD, Jason Kidd. Autograph. Not bad. Cream and All Day Prism. Jason Tatum. Michael Porter, Luck of the Lottery. Stephon Marbury, Hyper. Alright, 4 packs to go. Still no rookie prisms, but that, let's see if we get one here. Well, we do have a purple coming off though. Buck Portis, not a rookie. Peyton, that's out of 75. Ayton, so Ayton and Luka, 2 of the bigger rookies. At least we got their base. And it's going to be our other autograph. Marcus Morris. Oh no. Points are the worst. Now I have to make sure I redeem that before we upload this. Oh, that's nice. Bridges red out of 299. Bridges Luck of the Lottery. Waiters. Okay, last pack. Irving, Pope, Edwards. Marcus Morris out of 99. All right, so tons of color in there. 2 nice hits with Bridges and Luka. Let's take a quick recap here. So, 250 points. Silvers, Westbrook insert, Morris, Portis, Crowder, Marketing, Giles, Green. So, kind of struck out on the silvers there. Color, Holiday, Morris, Waiters, Wall, Peyton, Marbury, Luck of the Lottery, Porter Jr., Tatum, All Day, Hardaway, Brown, Connolly. So all vets. And which one was the 7? So they look very similar. So, and the Luck of the Lottery, Porter and Bridges are rookies. Let's see what we got going on here. I feel like we got a lot of the good names here. Alexander, Sexton, there's Ayton, Hutchinson. Let me get some bets in here. Justin Jackson. Holiday, Brunson, Vanderbilt, Bamba, Evans, Simmons, Preston, Trent, Musa, Luka. So I would say these are probably our biggest hits. Bridges, $2.99. Jason Kidd autograph. That's probably not too crazy. But then this Luka Hyper. Nice card. All right. So guys, thanks for watching. That is a 1 box of Prizm First Off the Line. Thanks.